Okay folks, here we have a Honda 4-stroke 5 horsepower. Just put my glasses on, I can't even see what that says. Oops, sorry. Bear with me. Okay, EURDCD emissions 4-stroke. Don't know what that means. You are seeing this for the first time. Well, I've seen it because I bought it. But I have not touched it, laid a finger on it, opened it up, or absolutely done nothing with it. And there's a gentleman who approached me and said, I've got an engine, you want to buy it? I've never used it. He said, I think I've started it up once or twice. And he said, it comes with everything. And then he said, I'll throw in a dinghy as well. Well, it was an opportunity I couldn't miss. So, it's a 22-inch from the transom. I'll double check that in a sec just to make sure it is. But look at this, absolutely mint condition. What a beautiful looking engine. And the transom plate with the, I don't know what they're called now, I know what they're called, I'll think of it in a minute. The thing that tracks the salt is not even been touched. So let's have a look inside. Like I said, I'm bringing you along with me, so it's not even been started. So, toolbox came with it, everything. Fuel tank. Look at this. Alright, a little bit of corrosion on the nuts, but that's nothing. I'll clean that up. But the thing is, I'm not going to touch it, but I'm going to have a go at starting it. Still got the spare split pins and cotter pins as well. Electric charge unit. Okay, year manufacturer 2006. There we go. So I am so looking forward to getting this fired up. Like I said, I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to connect it up and let it go. Now, it came with the fuel tank and the fuel pipe and everything, but the fuel pipe was wrong, so he said he hasn't started it. I think he's lost it because he said he hadn't started it for a couple of years. It's got a spare pull cord, and you can see it's got a hand pull cord as well on the top. Forward and reverse. Look at these. Normally you find these missing. I am chuffed with this, and the dinghy weighs a ton. Right, the next thing I'm going to do is this company. So I had to buy a new bulb and lead, and when I ordered this offline, I realised that the end on the connector was different to the one on the engine. So I rung the chap up and told him that, can you change it? So I'm going to give a shout out to this company, because I'll tell you what happened next. Okay, this is SSI Marine Outboards. They do parts for everything by the look of it. I have nothing to do with the company. They don't sponsor me or anything like that. But this chap, his name is George, and so I sent him an email. He said, yeah, it's okay, can you send me a picture of your engine part? So I sent that, the engine connection, so I sent that. Then he said, all right, fine. So the next day he says, can you send me another picture of the fuel tank connector to make sure it's the right one, which is the one down there. And then next thing, he's rung me. I was like, hello? And he goes, yeah, I've got it all done for you, but can you send me a picture and I'll get it all ready for you? So this company is definitely getting a shout out. I couldn't believe the actual service I got from them, and it's arrived today. So hopefully if I get a chance, I'll get this thing fired up. Look at it, it's mint. Minter. Right, let's see if the fuel tank connects. Yeah, he also said, saying that, he said, I'll send you a spare part that fits your tank as well, no extra cost. What? Okay. And a good job, because it doesn't fit. So this is the one that fits, so I will unscrew that now, and hopefully the thread's the same, and pop this one in there. What a company! Okay, so I'm going to pop the bin underneath, put a support, then fill the bucket up full of water, I'll just go and change that now, and then we'll all see if it fires up, because you're as new as I am to this. We'll see if there's any fuels going through as well in a minute. Right. Alright, get some PTF tape as well. Yep, looks like it's going to fit. Oop, sorry, yep, looks like it's going to fit. Right, I'll get some tape. Okie dokie, new one in. Fresh fuel, that was bought yesterday. Let's just connect this up. I'll try and get my tripod. Oh. There we go. Right. Prime it. Take a bit of prime, there's no fuel in this at all, which there wouldn't be. Here we go. Well, that's just filled the fuel filter up in there. I'm just sorry, get that. Oh, this is going to be exciting. Right, so that's just seeing that. It hasn't filled up the carb yet. Oh, it's there, it is in there. Okay. Right, so we've got to get the tripod to try this, haven't we, guys? Okay, so it's all primed. Sal's giving me a hand because I can't find my tripod. That's it. So choke out. We don't even know if the impeller works or anything. I don't even know if it starts. So what we are doing? Is that idle? That one there, take it. That's not been started for 2 years. Look at that! What was that? 2 pulls? That's amazing. Beautiful engine. Beautiful engine. That was really easy to start. Look at that. Worth the money? Definitely. Here's a post. Ready? There's another way to do this as well. Hold on one second. I'm going to try something. Okay. You push it in. Oh, there we go as well. Yeah, you can push it by hand as well, I believe. Ooh, that's a kickback. Charge light's working, because he told me when he came that this is an extra charge unit here. There's a plug there. And they said it wasn't working, but it is. He's tried it. And the sound. Oh, I need a bit more water. It's just all with it. Look. Weeby boy's really strong. Look at that. There we go. Engine not started for 2.5 years, so he reckons. Changed the fuel line. Like I said, that company. There we go. Definitely worth a mention. Definitely worth a mention. Helped me out a great. Thanks guys, you helped me out a lot. So new fuel line, £29. I'll put a link in the description down below where I got that from. Came with the fuel tank. Absolutely mint condition, I would say. Minter. There we go. I might just give it a test for the forward and reverse, I think, as well. Okay, covers on. We'll see what it sounds like in a sec. I can't do it because my helper has gone in now. So I will fire it up, let it tick over, and then we'll try forward and reverse. There we go. Quiet, beautiful engine. Reverse. Superb. Forward just quickly. Superb. And off. There we go. Yeah, I am absolutely over the moon with that. What a great bit of kit. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the vids, give it a thumb up. And yeah, catch you in the next one. Oh, don't forget there's the subscribe button on the side there and the notification bell. That would be great. There we go. Minter. Cheers. Thanks very much. Take care.